Hello, friends. I want to share a story about a special day. One rainy morning, I woke up to the sound of raindrops tapping on my window. It was a perfect day for a rainy adventure. I put on my favorite raincoat and boots, grabbed my umbrella, and headed outside. Puddles formed on the ground, and I couldn't resist jumping in them. Splash, splash. I felt like a little explorer in my own neighborhood. As I walked, I saw worms on the wet sidewalk. They wriggled around, enjoying the rain too. I carefully watched them and even gave them a little leaf for shelter. It was fun making new worm friends. Next, I went to the park. The trees looked greener, and the flowers sparkled with raindrops. I saw kids were having a friendly race with paper boats in the puddles. When I got home, my mom gave a hot coffee, and when I sipped it, I felt cozy. The rain made everything fresh and clean. I spent the rest of the day reading my favorite book and listening to the soothing sound of rain outside. What a wonderful adventure a rainy day can be.